Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to reset your AirPods Max. First, locate the noise control button and the digital crown on your headphones. Now, press and hold both of these buttons simultaneously. Keep holding them for approximately 15 seconds until the LED indicator light flashes amber, then white. This performs a soft reset, often resolving minor issues quickly and easily. Sometimes, a simple reset isn't enough, and a factory reset becomes necessary. This deeper reset completely erases all previous pairings and custom settings from your AirPods Max. It's like giving them a fresh start. You'll need to repair them with your Apple devices afterward, but it can fix more persistent problems. To perform a factory reset, again press and hold both the noise control button and the digital crown. This time, continue holding them for about 15 seconds. You'll see the LED indicator flash amber, and then it will flash white. This final white flash confirms that your AirPods Max have successfully completed a full factory reset. Once the factory reset is complete, it's time to reconnect your AirPods Max. Simply bring them close to your iPhone or iPad. Your device should automatically detect them and display an on-screen prompt. Follow these simple instructions to repair your headphones, ensuring Bluetooth is enabled on your device for a smooth and easy connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.